Hello everyone. We took a little vacation with the kids. We are in Sicily at my parents'. When I left from home, I took 3 IO boxes with me. My father was asking if we can support them in here with some automations. The first project would be to start and stop the central gas heating system. They have 2 units. Each unit is controlling 2 floors. The next project would be to open the main door, also remotely. And the third is to start and stop the AC units. We are going to do it via Telegram, and the objective is to do it in an easy way for them, like a menu, but in Telegram. These are the boards. There are 2 models. The first model is having 1 input and 1 output, and also the antenna is on the chip for the ESP in here. The other board is a bigger one, 4 inputs, 4 outputs, and we have a connector for the antenna in here. I can't get with me the 3D printed housings for them because I didn't have space enough in the airplane, but we got this kind of boxes from the local store. We will have to cut in here a hole because we want to put in also a switch for manual control. If something goes wrong, we need to be able to do it in a manual way. We start with the first one. We unscrew and open the central gas heating system, and I hope there is a diagram in there where we can link the relay. If not, we'll have to figure it out. So we find some kind of a diagram. I hope it will be easy to identify where it is also in the circuits, but it should be near to the main power lines. I've got it, it's in here. I put a cable in, cable tied so that it's not going off, but this should be it. Here is the final setup. The IO board is inside of that enclosure I showed you before. The antenna is outside. It is connected to the chip in here. Power cable in there. And then we have the relay in here. And we needed that parallel system to start and stop it in case something is going wrong. So we have this one in here. And now it's closed and done. Making some testing to see if the system is working. Yep, it is working. Stopping it, yeah. All done with the first system. I'll go now for the second one. For the second heating system, we have a mechanical thermostat, and I pull the cables in parallel from the thermostat through the housing and get it into the connector for the relay. Now we have it mounted on the wall next to the old thermostat, and they can work in parallel. The second system is done for the gas heating unit. Now I'm going for the door opening system and for the AC unit control. In here is for the intercom system. So basically if somebody is ringing, you can answer and push this button in here and the door will open. So now what we want to do is open it and take the same signal and put it in our system. Now we have it open. I put these 2 wires in here and in here, and now we can have in parallel the door control via the relay. The 2 wires from here now are going inside the smaller box, and now with the relay from the IO box we can control remotely the door opening. For the AC unit I use this broad link that we can control the AC unit from here. And now a highlight image for all the systems from this floor. So we have the old thermostat that now it's linked inside the box and we can remotely control it also. We have the door, we have the AC unit. The integration is done in one of our cloud servers. There it's running a Node-RED and also MQTT. The I/O boxes are also running with MQTT. I made a simple software in there, and basically I'm getting a Telegram message. In Node-RED I can see the type of message and even create a menu for Telegram. And then via MQTT I'm sending the data that is relevant for the relays to these I/O boxes. I've made a simple menu that can be accessed by pushing just the letter A. You get a menu, and the first button is open door, and it's open. This is the gas heating unit from the first 2 floors. My father here will help me to show you the menu and how it's acting. He will start the heating, and we should be able to see it in here. Yeah, it started. Now we are at the second floor, and this heating unit is used for the upper 2 levels. We'll do the same, test if it's working. Yeah, it started, and now we will stop it. We also have the confirmation that it is stopped. The menu in Telegram, it's in Romanian. My parents are from Romania, but they are living here in Sicily. Also in Telegram was important to put a status, like a confirmation, if the device is really communicating. So for instance, when we start the gas heating system, it should say, or it's saying, like you just saw in the previous section, it is confirming that it is started. And this is coming directly as a confirmation from the box, from the I/O box, via MQTT into Node-RED, and then sent back via the Telegram. For the AC unit, we are using the software from Broadlink. Yeah, and now to turn it off. With integrations like this and some devices like the I/O box and the Broadlink, you can transform legacy devices, non-smart devices, into something powerful, something very smart that you can control from anywhere in the world. I have to apologize for the quality of the video. I was only able to do it with a mobile phone, so there is no video editing. It's only record, then pause, and so on. If you want to have a full step-by-step guide of all what we have accomplished in here, let me know in the comments, and I will start creating detailed step-by-step guides on how to do it, starting with an MQTT server, how to set it up, also how to put Node-RED and run it in the cloud, and also how to run Broadlink remote control. Thanks for watching.